Hi students, welcome back to my channel Evolve Solving Physics. We are going to discuss one more application based on average speed, that is a body traveling between two positions travels with speed v1 for time t1 and then speed v2, the time is t2. The average speed of motion is. He said to calculate average speed of motion by giving speed with time, two speeds with two times, that is v1 t1 and v2 t2. What I said means the terms what he have given, the answer should be in the form of same terms. So he have given v1 t1 and v2 t2. So answer should be in the form of v1 t1 and v2 t2. So a body is traveling between two positions, that is speed v1 and the time is t1, and the same body is traveling with a speed v2 for the time t2. So here the speeds and times are different by a body. So I am considering a different distance, that is s1 for v1 t1 and s2 for v2 t2. Now we are going to calculate average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time. So total distance is s1 plus s2 by t1 plus t2. So I said that we should convert in the form of v1 t1 and v2 t2. So we have t1 t2 in denominator. We won't change these terms. We should change s1 and s2 in the form of v1 and t1 and v2 and t2. So we know that speed is equal to distance by time. So for a speed v1, the distance will be s1 and the time is t1. So I want s1. So I'm sending these t1 to the left side. v1 t1 equals to s1. So s1 value is v1 t1. Similarly, for a speed v2, the distance will be s2 and the time will be t2. v2 t2 is equal to s2. So s2 value is v2 t2. So substitute these s1 and s2 values in here, this equation. So s1 is v1 t1 plus v2, s2 value is v2 t2 by t1 plus t2. This is the average speed of the motion when an object is traveling between two positions with speed v1 with time for time t1 and for speed v2 and for the time t2. This is the average speed. So some students will calculate that by taking common of t1 and t2 from numerator. You can't take common in numerator because there is two different times t1 and t2. If you have any common terms, you can make the common and you can cancel with denominator. There is no common term to take it as common. So this is the average speed of the motion. So please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.